Hello and welcome to the Greenworks Garage. In this video, we will be going over the unboxing and assembly process for your new Greenworks product. We will cover the items that come in the box along with any steps necessary for assembly. As always, we would like to thank you for your purchase and for joining the Greenworks family. Remove and set aside all packaging, plastic wrap, and parts. Then remove the boxes containing loose parts, assembly hardware, and documentation. You will also find a quick start guide with the QR code for registering your mower. Please be sure to read all documentation before assembling and operating your new product. Remove the bolts securing the corner and side braces to the frame bottom. Then lift the braces to remove. Remove the 4 washers from the seat mounting brackets. Then, place the seat assembly over the mounting brackets and align the holes. Install the bolts, washers, and nuts, then tighten securely. Make sure the seat is securely in place. Connect the seat plug to the machine. Put the control lever on the control rod and align it with the 2 holes on the mounting plate. The control lever has 2 sets of mounting holes, upper and lower, allowing for the control lever to have a high and low position. Choose whichever position is most comfortable for you, as long as both the left and right control levers are in the same position. Insert the included bolt through mounting holes on the disc spring and the control lever, then tighten. To insert the batteries, lift the seat panel and the battery compartment cover. Align the ribs of the battery with the battery port. Make sure that the battery latch clicks into the battery compartment smoothly. Cut the nylon straps securing the front and rear wheel axles to the frame. The mower should be assembled while positioned on the frame bottom. Once assembly is complete, raise the cutting deck to its highest position. Now that you're ready to operate your mower, insert the start key and turn it to the 4th position, and the key will return to the 3rd position automatically. Wait 4 seconds for the mower to start and the display to light up. Then slowly and carefully drive the mower off the frame. If you are following along during the assembly process, your new Greenworks product is now ready for use. For more details and safety information, please read the owner's manual provided. If you have any other questions about this product or other Greenworks tools, be sure to check us out on our website, greenworkstools.com.